This isn't your regular chicken snack. This is Chicken Majestic. Crispy, juicy, spicy, and dangerously addictive. One bite and you'll forget every other chicken starter you have ever had. And once you try it, there is no going back. So let's make it the authentic way. Cut the boneless chicken breast into long strips. Soak the chicken pieces in buttermilk. Set aside for a minimum of 4 hours. Soaking the chicken pieces in buttermilk makes them soft, juicy, and moist from inside. You can also refrigerate it overnight. After 4 hours, gently squeeze out the buttermilk from the chicken strips and place it in another bowl. Now, marinate the chicken strips with ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, black pepper powder, salt, lemon juice. Mix well. Add corn flour 3 to 4 tablespoons. Mix well. Add egg. Egg is added only for binding. You can add half an egg. Combine everything and keep aside for 30 minutes. Heat oil in a wok or vessel or kadai over medium-high heat. Drop marinated chicken pieces into the oil, one piece at a time. Fry the chicken pieces for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame, not too hot. Remove on absorbent paper and keep warm. In a bowl, take curd. Whisk well. Now add coriander powder, turmeric, red chili powder, Aromat powder, which is optional. Add salt. Whisk well and keep it aside. Making of Chicken Majestic sauce. In a pan, heat oil and butter. Add cumin seeds. Next add chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Now add green chili. You can also use red chili. Add curry leaves and cashews. Stir fry for few seconds. Add chopped mint leaves. Mix well. Now add dark soy sauce, red chili sauce or tomato ketchup. Stir fry for 20 seconds. Switch off the gas flame. Now add the curd mixture. Mix it well. Cook stirring continuously for a minute. Turn on the heat. Keep the gas flame low. Add 2 tablespoons water. Cook stirring continuously for a minute. The water evaporates and curd is reduced and becomes little dry. Add the fried chicken strips and continue stirring until it is coated with the sauce. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves and lemon juice. Toss it well. So friends, if your taste buds are dancing right now watching this recipe, imagine what it's like when you make it. Try it out, drop a comment with your spicy twist, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.